Subagents are powerful on their own, but when you combine them into teams, things get really interesting. Today we're going deep on custom subagents, agent teams, and advanced skills. The full multi-agent toolkit. Custom subagents start with front matter. You define a name, description, model, and allow tools write in a markdown file. Here's a key trick. Pick the right model per subagent. Use Haiku for simple tasks like file searches. It's fast and cheap. Save Opus for the complex reasoning work. Subagent patterns are about isolation. Each subagent gets its own context window, so a high-volume file scanning operation doesn't eat up your main conversation. You can restrict tools too. A research subagent only gets read and grep, no write access. Context isolation keeps things clean and safe. Agent teams are the next level, and they're experimental. Enable them with the Claude_agent_teams environment variable. Then you can spawn teammates, send messages between them, and terminate them when done. Think of it as a team of AI developers working together on one task. The real power is in coordination patterns. Writer/reviewer, one agent writes code, another reviews it. Fan-out/fan-in. Spawn 5 agents to search different parts of the codebase, collect results. Tmux pipelines, agents running in parallel terminal sessions. These patterns unlock serious productivity. Advanced skills take things further. Auto-invoke skills trigger automatically based on keywords. User-invoked skills require a / command. Progressive disclosure lets you start simple and reveal complexity. Use add imports to share logic between skills. And disable model invocation prevents the AI from calling a skill on its own. Recap. Custom subagents with per model selection. Subagent patterns for isolation and safety. Agent teams for multi-agent collaboration. Coordination patterns. Writer/reviewer. Fan-out. Tmux. Advanced skills with progressive disclosure. Start with one subagent and build up. Subscribe for more from the AI Terminal.